Hi sweet friends, my name is Michelle with the blog YoUniquely Vintage You. My sister Cheryl and I are so glad that you're here. If you like our content, we hope that you will consider subscribing to be a part of our YouTube family. We appreciate each and every one of you so much. In today's video, we wanted to set up a really sweet kids tablescape for spring and Easter, and we also wanted to share with you how to create a super cute and easy bunny charcuterie board. So stay tuned and we'll show you how. We created this really sweet tablescape for kids just by using these precious plates that we found at Target, along with the cups. We also incorporated these soft carrots that we found in the Target dollar spot, and then we made a cute little basket filled with eggs, a bunny, and a sweet little bunny garland. To create this really cute and simple bunny charcuterie board, all I did was take a small loaf of bread and 2 rolls to create this face. I hollowed out the centers on each of them. For the bunny ears, I have fruit dip, and for the bunny's face, I have just put some vegetable dip inside. The eyes are grapes, the nose is a radish, and the whiskers are actually the end of some radishes. To create the carrots over here, I just took some carrots, cut them into small strips, and then I placed some parsley behind it to make them look like they were actually carrots from the garden. The next thing I'm doing is just filling up with all the vegetables that I have and fruit. This was so much fun to make and so easy. I hope you guys will consider trying this for your upcoming Easter or spring celebration. Let me know in the comments below, have you guys made a charcuterie board before? If so, do you enjoy them as much as I do?
Subscribe and follow us. Happy Easter. Bye.
Before I go, I just wanted to share this Bible verse with you. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. His faithful love endures forever. 1 Chronicles 16:34. God loves us so much, and I pray that you will know Him, especially during this Easter season. God bless you all, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.